So my husband and I both work with an organization called Mighty Oaks Warrior Programs, or Mighty Oaks Legacy Programs, and they take veterans, active duty, and first responders, their risk of suicide or dealing with PTS. I had happened to be on an Alaskan Air flight and saw Dr. Keller's advertisement, and so I actually took a couple screenshots of it, and it was always kind of in the back of my mind. After I checked with all these dentists in Montana and found out how expensive it was going to be, I asked my husband about coming here to have a consult done, and there really was no question. I made the appointment, and the night before, we're in a hotel. I'm brushing my teeth. My tooth fell out again in the sink, and I get it put back in, and my husband was kind of standing there watching me, and he said, "Aren't you tired of going through this?" I said, "Yes." And he goes, "We've got the money. We've been blessed. Just get your teeth fixed." When I got to the office that morning, everything was laid out. It was clear. I felt extremely comfortable. I felt like the staff was just so relaxed, but also very professional, very competent. I didn't even have an ounce of stress. If you're on the fence about this, I would say come to Dr. Keller, have him look at your teeth, have them go over everything, look at the office, meet the people. I did not realize how little I smiled until after this was done. It's like a gift every day when I think about it. It's been a huge blessing in my life.